Manny. I'm from Pikeville, Tennessee, and I love the Moto Academy.
Wow. Thank you.
Miles.
Miles?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. My name's AJ. I like your shoes. Oh, you know who I am? How do you know who I am? Do you watch me on YouTube? Dang.
How you doing, man?
Good. How you doing?
Good.
You want a picture with my bike?
Yeah.
Come check it out. All right. Well, hello, Albert here with Miles. We're at Atlanta Supercross. I'm mic'd up, right?
Yeah.
Come on, Miles. Check it out. This is my bike. What do you think?
Yeah.
Does it fit you perfect?
I think so.
Pretty sweet? Yeah, I think it fits good. Who's your favorite rider?
You.
Oh, yeah. Dude, any experience I've seen with the tarps, it really seems like they don't work.
They keep the tops
Right.
and the transitions a little dry, and then the bottoms are soaked.
Damn, I want to be an overflow.
Yeah, you do.
Okay, so did you get a chance to at least ride press yesterday then, or no?
No, I didn't even watch.
So what was the turkey trying to was he trying to fly? Did you not see it coming at all?
So I did. There's a car in front of me. The turkey almost ran out in front of him. The turkey stopped, turned around, started running the opposite way. And we're going 45, and there's 10 cars in front of me and about 50 cars behind me, just one after another, one after another. Turkey ran the opposite way. Then as I'm getting closer, he turns around, runs back out on the road. I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna hit him with the bumper. He's so far out in the road, and I'm so close to him, I can't even see him anymore. I'm just waiting for the crunch. And then all of a sudden he just jumps, because they don't fly, turkeys can't fly. So he just jumped up in the air and spread his wings into the windshield.
Oh, toast? So he committed suicide. Paddle tire, dude, I'm telling you.
You're right.
Although, look how dry. I'm gonna be lighting it up on the jump faces. And we have a sand section.
Yes.
And there's another sand section. Oh, I like my decision.
Yeah, you do.
Back.
Yeah, you're pretty screwed.
So right here, would you be second or third gear?
Honestly, probably third, because
you would just stand up maybe?
Yep, and then you'd hit the tunnel in second, just shift up to third, leave it in third.
And do you hit whoops in fourth?
I don't.
Oh, you don't?
I don't. So what I've noticed a lot is
Where should we go?
suck in the when we're on a 4-stroke, we love the whoops when they're brand new. On the 2-stroke, I couldn't go through them when they were brand new. When they have cups in them, it is so much easier to go through them on the 125.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's risky.
Woo!
Wow, this is kind of big.
Uh-huh. Yes, it is.
You gotta tell me why are you so ridiculously fast in qualifying, and then in the race, like, dude?
Because I'm terrified when the gate drops. I don't know what.
He has one job to do. Put it in.
I kind of almost wish they were all triple crowns, just so I could just at least get in the main events.
Dude, if every race was a triple crown, you'd be in every main event.
I'm afraid. I'm afraid of people, and I don't ride often. I just get nervous.
Yeah.
I like to be by myself and just do my own thing.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh, wow.
Oh man. No. Not the freaking.
These boys got some work to do.
Hey, what happened to your window or your windshield?
I had a turkey.
Are you gonna run one?
I have one on the bike currently. Yeah. Well, I have my 125 here this weekend, so I was just like, I'll just paddle it up.
You ride a 125?
Yeah. I haven't ridden on Supercross yet, so there's that.
How are you, JB?
You good? How we doing?
We're doing.
So third in these?
Battle this weekend?
2-stroke
Yeah,
battle
we just
this
got to
weekend.
make top 20. That's the hard part.
This rhythm is nice and dry.
Jack!